Namaste and welcome. How are you guys doing? Today we are going to do this August bullet journal setup. For this month's theme, I have chosen this really minimalistic leafy pattern design which I saw on Pinterest and I thought it looked like really good. So that's what I'm doing. So to make this design, first of all, I created a circle using a pencil, and then following the shape of the circle, I created these leaf stems, I guess, and then I started drawing leaves on that. That's how I created it, if you guys were wondering. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's not very difficult to do, but it takes a lot of time. It's a little tedious work. You've been warned. I don't really mind that because I really like to draw and I can spend whole day drawing. So it was getting a little bit difficult to draw leaves in every single direction. So rotating a journal does help a lot with the drawing. So that's how it looks. Now coming on to the monthly log. So for this I have chosen this floating box design which I have seen Amanda do a lot. As I said in my previous video, this thing is very much heavily influenced by Amanda. So I'm just writing the dates. There was a little extra space in the bottom, so I created this box for simple goals, and this extra little space I created this vertical box for the books I want to read this month. These are Crushing It and Primal Branding. And for the design for this page, I've drawn the same wreath but only the 1/4 of it. So I think it's 6 by 6 in the X and Y axis, and I've done like the same thing by drawing 1/4 of a circle and then drawing the leaf stem and then going in with the leaves. I hope I'm making any sense. Next page is the habit trackers. For this page I am going one leaf on each side. I initially planned for 2 leaves. I don't know if you guys can see the pencil markings, but here I decided no, I only want to do one. For the habits, I want to track YouTube, my blog posts, then Instagram, and also emails. I seriously lack in that department. Also Pinterest and my skincare and hair care, because these are the things I review on my blog, and also current affairs. I don't know, I just want to be informed. Now I'm just creating a horizontal layout. It's quite similar to the one I created for my period trackers in my previous video. If you guys haven't watched it, go watch it. And I kind of messed up the email section, but hey, it's okay. For the first section I did write down the dates, but I didn't do that for all of them. The next page is my expense tracker and also my income tracker. In this section, my expense tracker, I have decided to do product wise, like what I buy and how much did it cost. That's how I am planning to do. I have seen people do it by category wise. Here I am writing products and description and the cost of the product. For income trackers, again I did the similar design and source and amount. That's what I want to track. Yeah, that's the right word. Now I'm just creating some lines. The next spread is my shopping list and the wish list. So for the design, I'm going like the same 1/4 of the wreath, and I created this similar to the previous one, the monthly log one, and yeah, that's what is happening. These one are a little bigger. I think they are 8 by 8 in X and Y axis, or maybe 7 by 7. I don't really remember. But they are bigger than the monthly log. And I did the same for the shopping list, and now I am writing the titles like the shopping list and the wish list. Now coming on to a page that I absolutely love. It's called Waiting On, and the person I got the inspiration from is My Life in a Bullet. It's basically the list of deliveries you are waiting on. I do a lot of online shopping, so I think it was like really great addition for my bullet journal. Next page is my posting schedule. This is my YouTube and blog posting schedule. For this, I am creating a calendar sort of layout, and there was a lot of blank space in the bottom section, so I made a box for ideas because I don't like to waste paper. And I'm planning to write down whatever blog post or YouTube video I want to do on a certain day. I hope that makes sense. So right now I'm just writing down the days. It's very similar to the monthly log, and here I'm writing down ideas. So for the design for this page, I first decided to go with the wreath. I hope you guys can see the small wreath there, but then I went with the one leaf on the each side and writing down the dates. Now I have my YouTube growth tracker, so this will go by weeks, and there I have my blog growth tracker, and I did the same 1/4 of a wreath design for that. Next page is my social media tracker. I will be mostly tracking the Instagram and Pinterest. These are the two social media outlets that I really use and like. For this time, I changed up the design, and instead of doing it on the each side, I kind of jointed them. Yeah, just trying to come up with different ideas. Now this is I'm like really counting a lot. Now this page is for the product reviews, and second portion is collaborations. So I was thinking of doing collaboration on my nail art Instagram, so that's what that's for. Now for my weekly spread, again I've seen this in the My Life in a Bullet, where she doesn't like really plan out her whole week. Instead she goes day by day, so you don't really end up wasting a lot of like paper. That's what I'm going to do. Like I will be going day by day. So now we are on a flip through. So this is what this month's spread looks like. I really like the minimalistic look, but I think all the straight lines kind of doesn't really match that much with the leafy design, so I will take care of that in the next one. I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Namaste.